Applying to a study is an easy task and won't take long at all. When you're applying to a study, you'll want to navigate to one of two places. First, you can navigate to our website. When you arrive on our website, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Join a Panel. From here, you'll click the Current Opportunities option, which will bring you to a page showing all of our current available studies. Then, you'll simply click on the study of interest. An application link will be provided on that page, allowing you to apply for that specific study. Second, you could also navigate to our Linktree page. You can easily access this page on our social media platforms within our bio. On our Linktree, we show a list of our current available studies. You will then follow the steps as stated previously. Simply click on the study of interest and the application link will be provided. Signing up for our email will additionally allow you to hear about all of our current available studies. We previously filmed a video explaining the process with getting into our database, which you can find on our YouTube channel.